American battle. Go ahead. Yes. The Battle of Yorktown. The Battle of Yorktown. Does everybody agree those are the two battles we learned about on Monday? All right. What were some of the effects of the Battle of Saratoga? What's an effect again? Jesse? Is it why something happened, or is it the what happened? The what. Everybody agree? Yeah. Okay, so can somebody give me an effect of the Battle of Saratoga, please? Go ahead.
The French entered the American Revolution.
Perfect, and that was something on our sheet. The French entered the war. On what side? Patriot side or the British side? Nate? Oh, right here. I'm sorry. The American? The American side. Now, what were some effects of the Battle of Yorktown? Can someone just give me one effect? Can I have a new hand? In the back?
It was protection in New York.
Well, the Yorktown, which is the last battle. What was one of the effects? Who won?
The American.
Okay, who surrendered? The British. All right, our last question. What did the Treaty of Paris mean? Can I have some new hands? Go ahead.
It meant like people who like
Okay, it was a document, and what did it say for the Americans? Were they still under British rule, or were they now free and independent? Go ahead. Does everybody agree that the Treaty of Paris meant the Americans were now free and independent? Do you have something to add to that?
No.
Oh, you have your thumb up. Okay. I am really impressed with everyone's memory about what we learned on Monday. And today we're going to become a historian in order to dig deeper into the American Revolution. Here we have artifact bags.
We're already historians.
You are historians, well then you have all the skills you need to discover these artifacts. Now Miss Katrina is going to take over, and she needs help remembering the steps we are going to take to examine these artifacts.
Okay, so who remembers the first step that we have to take?
Make a hypothesis.
Before we make a hypothesis, what do we have to do?
Take a look at the artifact.
Okay, so we have to gather our...
It's a question. We have to identify a problem.
So after we identify our problem, what's the next step? Yes, our next step is to make a hypothesis. And what does our hypothesis have to be? What kind of a statement? A guessing statement, but what two words do we have to have in our hypothesis?
Yes or an idea.
But what two important words? You know the two important words that we have to use in our hypothesis? You remember them?
Thinking maybe.
It has to be an if-then statement. Our hypothesis is an if-then statement. What's our next step?
See if you're correct.
What are we going to use to see if we're correct? Our So we're going to collect something. Do either one of you know what we're going to collect? No. Who knows what we're going to collect?
The artifact.
We're going to collect data from the artifact. Right? And then our fourth step. Who remembers the fourth step?
Then you have to
Exactly. We're going to record our data.
And then our fifth and final step. Who remembers that? Anyone else know what the answer is? Go ahead. What's our final step? Yeah, so what are we going to form? We're going to form a conclusion. Good job. Okay. So today, we're going to use these steps for our job. we're going to figure out how the artifact connects to the victory of the American Revolution. And then we're going to develop our hypothesis.
And what's the hypothesis again? It's a, help me out here. I forgot what the man said. Go ahead, your hand's shaking.
A guess or idea?
It's like that's our idea. And what are we gonna, what kind of statement are we going to write in the back?
We're going to use a substitution statement.
Okay, so if, go ahead. If and then statement.
And then we're going to collect our data. So we're going to write down notes about what we're analyzing in our artifact bag. And then the next step is to record our data. So when we're recording our data, we're going to write down what we've found from our resources that we have. And then our final step is to form our conclusion using all of the data we collected, and we're going to describe our artifact's role in the victory of the American Revolution. So now, Miss Amanda and Miss Tara are going to further explain and show you the activity.
Okay, so you guys, everyone is going to be put into groups of 4, and in your group, you're each going to get an artifact. In that bag, there is one artifact, and you are going to connect that artifact to the American Revolution, okay? And you also have to connect the artifact to